Hello and welcome to my booth. I'm Donatas, CEO of this awesome company, Toughlex. Once Chuck Fresco said, politics do not solve the problems, technology does. In fact, we felt that this is kind of true and started this company in 2015 to make an impact through digital products. Currently, we provide digital product development services, but in the future, we hope to release our own digital products. This company has been founded by 3 co-founders who all were talented software developers. This is how we were able to attract the best people to the team. Need a proof that they are that good? Let me tell you a quick fact. Google organizes a global competition called Hashcode every year. Last year, there are more than 5,000 teams, and our team ranked in top 100. Not bad, right? Besides that, most of the team were friends even before working in Toughlex, which gave solid foundation for team chemistry and motivation. We see that true talent, value-driven attitude, agile approach, and seamless communication help us deliver wonderful results for our clients. And as a client, you don't need to worry during the process, because full transparency runs through all our activities. And it works, it truly works. Please take a look at our Facebook or Google review section and you will find feedback of our happy customers. The rating is 5 out of 5. Let's be honest, it is outstanding. And you know, we'll work hard to keep it up like that. Please don't hesitate to take a look at our case studies as well. You can read there about our experiences in telecommunications, fintech, edtech, travel, and other fields. Thank you for your attention. Once again, I'm Donatas, your guy regarding digital product development. Let's talk.